simple example on Wheatstone bridge. So the problem is in the Wheatstone bridge, the value of resistance of various arms are P equals to 1000 ohm, Q equals to 100 ohm, R equals to 2005 ohm, and S equals to 200 ohm. The battery has an EMF of 5 volt and negligible internal resistance. The galvanometer has a current sensitivity of 10 millimeter per microampere and an internal resistance of 100 ohm. Calculate the deflection of the galvanometer and the sensitivity of the bridge in terms of deflection per unit change in the resistance. Okay, so read the problem carefully. So what are all the given values in the problem? So the resistance of all the four arms are mentioned. So better draw the Wheatstone bridge once again. So P equals to it is given P equals to it's 1000 ohm and Q equals to 100 ohm. This is Q, it's 100 ohm, and the value of the resistance, unknown resistance, is given 2005 ohm, and S equals to it's 200 ohm. The battery supply is given to the terminals A and C, and it has a EMF of 5 volts right here, 5 volt, and it has internal resistance. The resistance of the battery is 0, and they have given the information about the galvanometer. The galvanometer has a current sensitivity of 10 millimeter per microampere. Okay, so in the previous class we defined current sensitivity. So it's been represented as SI equals to theta divided by galvanometer current. Okay, so theta is in terms of deflection, it is in terms of millimeter, and current is in terms of microampere. So what is the value? It is 10 millimeter per microampere. The value of current sensitivity is given, and the galvanometer has an internal resistance of it is how much? It is 100 ohm. So Rg is given. Internal resistance of galvanometer is 100 ohm, and the question is to find the deflection of the galvanometer. So theta we need to find, and one more quantity they have been asked, that is sensitivity of the galvanometer. It has been represented as SB, sensitivity of the galvanometer in terms of deflection per unit change in the resistance. That means it is theta divided by delta R. So in the previous class what we have defined, so deflection of the galvanometer per unit fractional change in the value of resistance. So there we have taken delta R divided by R. So here it is different. So SB is in terms of deflection per unit change in the resistance. So here we don't know the value of delta R, we don't know the value of theta, okay, and we don't know the value of current flowing through the galvanometer. So once you get those values, then it is easy to find the sensitivity of the galvanometer. So first we will find the value of galvanometer current first. Okay, so we know that when there is a flow of current between the terminals B and D, then the bridge is unbalanced. Okay, then whatever value is given here, 2005 ohm, is not the actual value. Okay, but we need to find the value of, we need to find the actual value of the resistance also. So for balance condition, when the bridge is balanced, so we have the equation R equals to it's P by Q into S. Okay, so we know the value of P, Q and S. Substitute those values. So P is 1000 ohm divided by Q is it's 100 into S is 200. Okay, so then this will get cancelled. It is 2000 ohm. We got the actual value of resistance is 2000 ohm, but the given value of R is 2005 ohm. For 2000 ohm, there is no flow of current between the terminals B and D. If you slightly the value of resistance is changed, then there is a flow of current in the terminals B and D. Okay, so we know the value of actual resistance here, and deviation resistance also we know. So better find the value of delta R, change in the resistance. So change in the resistance is given by, so given value of the resistance minus actual value of the resistance. Right here, the deviation of the deviation of resistance resistance is, so delta R is, given value of the R is 2005 ohm minus actual value of the resistance is 2000. So delta R is going to be 5 ohm. So we got the value of delta R. Okay. So next, so once the bridge is unbalanced, so for 2005 ohm resistance, so we'll get the value of Thevenin's voltage across the galvanometer and the equivalent resistance of that Thevenin circuit. Okay, in the last class we've been represented as E naught in series with R naught, galvanometer resistance Rg. So this we need to find. So once you get this circuit, then the flow of current can be calculated. The galvanometer current can be calculated. So once you first we'll find the value of E naught. Okay, then we go for R naught and Rg. Got it? Okay. So to find the value of E naught, we have the equation, Thevenin's voltage equation. Okay, what is the equation? E naught equals to, so we have equation E naught equals to it is E into bracket Rs divided by R plus S minus P divided by P plus Q. Okay, so battery voltage is given 5 volt. So value of given resistance, not the actual value of resistance, given resistance is 2005 ohm into S is 200 divided by 2005 ohm plus 200 minus P is given, it's 1000 divided by 1000 plus Q is 100. So calculate this, get the value of E naught. So E naught will be, it's 1.030 into 10 raised to minus 3 volt, less value. This much voltage we will get across the galvanometer when the bridge is balanced for 2005 ohm. For 2000 ohm there is no voltage is 0. Okay, so next, once you get the value of E naught, so next is find the value of Thevenin's resistance. Thevenin's resistance is given by, so R naught equals to, we'll write the equation, R naught equals to, it's Rs divided by R plus S plus PQ divided by P plus Q. Okay, so we know the value of resistance, standard resistance, the value of P and Q. Substitute those values and R naught will be, R naught equals to, it's 272 or 272.8 ohm. So calculate this, substitute the values of P, Q, Rs. So no doubt that R should be the given value. It's not the actual value of the resistance what we got for balanced equation. Right. So we got the value of E naught and R naught. Let us draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit and find the value of current flowing through the galvanometer. Okay. So draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. I will write here. What is Thevenin's equivalent circuit? So E naught. So E naught is in series with R naught, and this will be in series with the Thevenin galvanometer resistance. And current flowing through the galvanometer is, let us take it as Ig. The value of V naught we know, R naught we know, Rg we know. So galvanometer current Ig is given by Ig equals to V by R. So E naught divided by total resistance R naught plus Rg. Okay, the value of E naught is just now we calculated. It is 1.030 into 10 raised to minus 3 volt divided by R naught is 272.8 ohm plus the value of galvanometer resistance is given. Galvanometer resistance is 100 ohm, right? Internal resistance of the galvanometer, it is given here, right? It is 100 ohm. So plus 100. So Ig will be, if we calculate this, the Ig will be 2.76 microampere. Calculate this value, microampere. So micro resistance 10 raised to minus 6 ampere. So we got the value of Ig now. So what it has been asked? The value of deflection of the galvanometer for this current. So we know that sensitivity equals to, sensitivity is given by deflection per change in the current, Ig. Deflection per unit current. Okay. So what could be the deflection here? Deflection theta equals to, it is SI into Ig. We know the value of SI and we know the value of Ig, sorry. So substitute those values and get the deflection in terms of millimeter. Okay, so it will be current sensitivity is given. What is it is given? Theta equals to current sensitivity is 10 millimeter here. So 10 millimeter, 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter divided by microampere. So divided by 10 raised to minus 6. So into current is 2.76 microampere. It's 10 raised to minus 6 ampere. This 10 raised to minus 6 and this 10 raised to minus 6 will get cancelled, and theta equals to 2.76. Is 276 millimeter. So it will have a deflection of just 276 millimeter when the current is of 2.76 microampere. Just note down the magnitude of the current. It is in terms of microampere. Okay. So theta is in millimeter. It's 276 millimeter. And finally, use the equation SB equals to current Wheatstone bridge sensitivity. SB equals to, it's theta deflection. What it has been asked? Deflection per unit change in the resistance. So per unit change in the resistance is delta R, not delta R by R. So it's 276 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter divided by delta R is 5. So it will be SB, the final answer of SB will be, it is 5.52 millimeter per ohm. This is the unit of the sensitivity of the Wheatstone bridge. So this is the final answer. Thank you.